What's up? In this episode, we are making a video with Harry Phoku. But before I tell you a little more about Harry, here's a couple sweet takeaways that you're going to get from this video. Number one is that you are going to get two of my most successful hook formulas that are specifically designed to get leads. Now, Harry didn't choose either one of them, but you're going to see why in the video. Number two is that you're going to get a sneak peek at how to use the fun things that you're doing in your business and in your life and use them to create desirable content that attracts in your dream clients. And number three, you're going to see Harry struggle a little bit to try to figure out how to explain his business in under 1 minute. This is actually the first time that he's ever done a short form video. Let me introduce you to Harry Phoku. So last year, Harry quit his job as a recruiter to start his own business, and he started a ghostwriting agency that specializes in helping CEOs who want to land clients in the gaming industry. And what I love most about Harry is the vibe. He's just a really fun kind of guy. Like, he's got videos of himself out on these events wearing crazy hats and getting it out there and mixing up with people and dancing. And he hired his crazy brother to help him along the journey. I wanted to create a video that capitalizes on kind of the fun things that Harry is doing. So come check it out and let's see how we did. All right, what's up? I am here with Harry Phoku today to make a video. What's going on, Harry? How are you?
Very good. I'm excited for this.
I got a couple of different options for you. If I was starting LinkedIn from scratch in 2025 and I could only focus on one thing for the whole year, here's what I would do. Next one is, here are 3 LinkedIn strategies that we're going to kind of insert your client's dream outcome in here, right? And then we're going to say, now I'm talking to everyone, but mostly gaming executives or mostly gaming CEOs. This way we're kind of honing in on the target market, but also doing it as general mass appeal for everyone at the same time. And this one's a little bit more plugging into like some of the things that I see you doing out there, which is, so I haven't been home in X number of months because I'm too busy out there growing my business. And basically what I want to see in this one is a little bit about your journey over the last year. The stuff that I really like about you is I like seeing you out and about. I like seeing the dancing videos. I like seeing like you and your bro like hanging out. Like you're out there, you're traveling, you're at conferences, you're at events, you're hosting your own events. This is the kind of thing that ultimately people want.
Yeah, let's do that one because I think I can tie it into the CEOs who actually want to, they do it at conferences, but then I think they don't do it as well as they could. They can probably have a little more fun if they did it my way. So let's do that one.
Beautiful. I'm going to let you kind of take it where you want to go.
I haven't been home in 7 months because I've been out. No, daddy. All right, one more. I got it. I haven't been home in 7 months because I'm out there building my business in public.
Perfect. And now let's get into some of the things that you've been doing over the last year to kind of build this business, give people a glimpse into the life that they want, which you have.
I haven't been home in 7 months because I'm out there building my business in public. I quit my job in April, gone from recruiter to starting a ghostwriting business, helping founders elevate their offline presence and bring it online, help them sign more clients. I've now signed 6 ghostwriting clients, coached 10 plus more, built the business to around 15,000 a month recurring revenue now. And the way I've done that is by having more conversations. So the way I do that is with podcasts, events, and content online. And that's how I help my clients do the same. And the reason I do this is I love people and I love the energy that happens when you're in the room with someone. And I find I try to bring that energy online, but that online brand has actually made it so when I go to these events, it's so much easier because people recognize me. But then also if I'm organizing a side party or I'm doing my own event, for example, I post about it, message a few people, the virality effect kicks in, and then I can actually make my own events, bring all the right people in the right room, and then I can kind of control the audience and really make sure that we're speaking to the right people. And I try to do the same for my clients.